Blockchain for beginners. What is blockchain? Blockchain technology is a digital database mechanism that allows transparent information sharing within a business network. It is similar to a ledger or giant spreadsheets of transactions. Data, such as transactions, is time-stamped and stored in a block. These blocks are linked together with chains. The database is decentralized. It is spread across many computers called nodes that are linked together in a peer-to-peer network. These nodes maintain and manage the distributed ledger in real time. All copies of the blockchain are updated and validated simultaneously. How blockchain works. An authorized participant initiates a transaction, which is authenticated by the technology. This creates a block that represents the specific transaction or data. The block is transmitted to all computer nodes in the network. Authorized nodes verify the transaction and add the block to the existing blockchain. The update is propagated across the network, finalizing the transaction. Nodes in public blockchain network, known as miners, validate transactions and are often rewarded with cryptocurrency via proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS. A blockchain ledger consists of transactions and blocks, with each block containing a header, data, and a timestamp used to create a hash. Each new block uses the previous block's hash to calculate its own hash. Validation, or consensus, ensures the authenticity of a new block by requiring a majority of nodes to agree. Once added, blocks can't be changed. Altering a block disrupts the entire ledger. If consensus fails, the problematic block is discarded, and the consensus process is repeated to resolve the issue, preventing a single point of failure. Blockchain, cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin. Blockchain is the technology behind digital currencies, cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin, enabling secure and immutable decentralized exchanges. Digital currency refers to any form of currency available electronically, including government-issued money and cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital asset exchanged on a blockchain network, not issued by governments and used for transactions within the network. Bitcoin is the first and most popular cryptocurrency introduced by Satoshi Nakamoto. It operates on the Bitcoin blockchain, allowing peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. New Bitcoins are created through mining, where miners solve complex problems to validate transactions and earn new Bitcoins. Now I will be discussing the types of blockchain. It includes private blockchain, public blockchain, and consortium blockchain. Private blockchain. Private blockchains restrict access to a select group of participants and require approval to access. These blockchains offer enhanced privacy and control over data, making them suitable for applications that require strict controls and compliance with regulations. Every node might be able to perform transactions, but participation in the consensus process is restricted to a limited number of approved nodes. Examples of private blockchain include Hyperledger and Corda. Public blockchain. Public blockchains don't require permission to enter the blockchain network. Anyone can view the transactions and actively participate in the network. These blockchains are highly decentralized, with no single entity controlling the network. Every node in a public blockchain network conducts transactions and participates in the consensus process. An example of a public blockchain would be Bitcoin. Consortium blockchain. Consortium is a hybrid blockchain in which a group of organizations govern the blockchain. Consortium blockchain combines the benefits of decentralization and privacy. This makes it suitable for industries that require collaboration and trust among a select group of participants. However, the breach of just one member node can compromise its security. An example of consortium blockchain is Ethermint. What are the benefits of blockchain? Improved security, decentralized, reduced costs, and speed. Improved security. Blockchain creates an unalterable record of transactions. These records have end-to-end encryption to prevent fraudulent and unauthorized activity. Data on blockchain is stored across a network of computers, making it almost impossible to hack, unlike conventional systems that store one copy of data on servers. Blockchain can also anonymize data. Only certain people may be able to access it. Decentralized structure. Blockchain enables trust without needing a central controlling authority. It allows for multiple businesses to securely share information. For example, in supply chains, companies, so this will include suppliers, transporters, producers, and retailers, they can all efficiently share data without one entity facilitating it. Reduced costs. Blockchain's design can cut costs for organizations. Transaction processing becomes more efficient. It reduces manual tasks such as aggregating and amending data. It eases in report and auditing processes. Blockchain also eliminates middlemen such as vendors and third-party providers that traditionally handle the processing that blockchain can do. Speed. By eliminating intermediaries and replacing many of the manual processes of transactions, blockchain can handle transactions significantly faster than some conventional methods. However, how quickly a blockchain-based system can process transactions depends on multiple factors, such as network traffic, the size of each block of data, and the speed of process used to establish consensus. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something new about blockchain.